What we're doing?
You've got to say, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel.
Perfect. Better than your mum. It's fine. It's fine. Nothing to worry about. It's alright. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, fix this up in a jiffy. It's alright. It's fine. Nothing to worry about. It's all good. It's fine. As you can see, things have developed even further. We decided to take the ceiling down, and I'll show you why. As per the front, you would have seen in the last video, there was holes in the aluminium on the front, which was causing major leaks over there, as well as the trims leaking, and there's also holes in the ceiling. See that? And the aluminium, and all the water coming in, and it's made all this rotten. All of that is rotten. So we're going to take the ceiling down, and I'm going to replace all the rotten timbers. We're okay that side, it's not rotten. But this side's all collapsed, so it's all going to come out. I'm going to chop it all out, I'm going to take this out, etc, etc, and then rebuild it. And when we get a break in the weather, we're going to fill these holes up everywhere and paint the whole roof with fiberglass paint stuff that seals the roof up and everything, and do all the trims, as you already know if you've watched the last video. Watch the last video. So as the sun is out, we're taking advantage. It's going to rain this afternoon, so we're taking advantage of the clear blue skies, and we're taking these trims off. State of that. And there's some rotten timber under here which I can't get to from the other side, so I'm going to hopefully get to it from this side. Replaced all the timbers inside all the way along here, so we're going to reseal, clean and reseal all these trims all the way down. In the next shot, she cuts her thumb off.
It's not very straight. Yeah. I think so. I'm scared now you're filming me.
Nice.
Spit the words.
Doesn't matter. What's going on here?
We got lights, baby! That's it, done! This is mum at home.
Yay, finished! It's brilliant.
Now up.
Put the ceiling up.
Yay!
Whew, right, so it's been a few days. We've been chopping out all the rot, and now as you can see, Harley has a new ceiling with spotlights in, which looks like that. She's very happy about it. We've got the cupboards back up here now as well. All of this is drying out lovely, and all of that. We've got a partition wall going up there. There's your battery in there. There's going to be a desk across there, so I need to, now all this is dry, I'm going to reply all of that as well. Oh, kitchen's a whole nother story. Sealed all the seals across the roof. I've got the ones underneath to do. Today I'm going to go around. I'm going to go around and do all the seals across that part of the roof and down the back corner, and hopefully if it doesn't rain we'll get the max air fan in as well. Get it all ready for painting the roof either tomorrow or Monday. Definite water getting in behind there. Lovely jubbly. So it's had a bit of a bang there. Water's been getting in all the way down behind that trim, as you can see. Mouldy. And a bit of a bad repair job up there. So I'm going to try and straighten that out the best I can. Obviously down here, it's had a whack there as well, so they've hit something, a post or something, a tree, whatever. So that's all twisted there. And obviously water's getting in behind there, so we need to seal all of that as well. and all around these doors and everything. The seals are all pretty naff. So we'll seal all that up, seal above the window as well, all above and below that trim, behind the trim, over the screws, the whole lot. So now we've got to see if we can get this to work. It is brand new, apparently, but they couldn't get it to work on electric. They only got it working on gas. But this is coming out, so I'm going to see if I can get it working on electric, because we can sell it, can't we? And then this has all got to come out. Anyway, everything's coming out and being rebuilt. And the new fridge is this one, which is going to go in there. So let's see if I can get this working. All that out, more rot there, fan bloomin' goes, you can't even see in there, but it goes all the way back behind that cupboard, but it starts to get solid-ish there. I assume the vent's leaking, it's coming in on the fridge vent and soaking down, and has been for a long time. I'm not sure whether the sink's been leaking as it was in my van. It will obviously it won't be when we put the new one in. Onwards and upwards. Boom! There you have it. Fridge in there. Cooker's going to go here. She gains a cupboard there because she's not going to have an oven. She's in an air fryer. There's a drawer under there. Sink's going to go here. It's going to have to be a little sink though. A little rectangle deep sink in this corner there with a tap. Splendid. Happy with that. And now we can walk around the van, even though it is still a mess. Not tripping over everything. Tomorrow, I'm going to be painting the roof, although the sun is out now. But it's getting late, I'm knackered. This is going to do me in, this van, I swear. I thought mine was bad. This is going to do me in. But anyway, so that's it for this video. Catch you in the next one. And yeah, follow us, like us, subscribe to us, all that good stuff. God bless. See you next time. See ya, you loon.
This is a bit of
What have you done to her? Has Nanny broke you?